Alright? I'm fine.
Dan, do a run around, check everything's good.
Pull my flag out. It's a big pain in the arse.
Happy?
Yeah. Is that right for you?
That's fine.
Cool. Okay, just sit down on the side. Let's go. Well done, Sam. Is that right?
Yeah, fine.
I went right into the forest.
You know what was tricky is that flag was pulling me all over the place,
Oh,
so I was like vectoring everywhere.
I felt some good wind change buffets on the way. Nothing like
Yeah.
fine, but
No, I've got to get rid of the flag for the next one.
I went and said hello to the VIPs.
Yeah.
That was brilliant.
Fuel, you've got loads of fuel there.
Yeah.
Great job. Well done.
Copy, this is Mark. Pull up.
Roger that.
Roger that, calling for flag.
You with the yellow flag?
Okay, I'm starting. Have a check. Straighten that up. It should be in line with the pole. Yep. I've got a problem. Okay, I'm starting again.
Right, have a check. It's in cat film mode.
Press the small button again.